म उनीसँग भेट्न चाहन्छु I want to meet her I want to meet her यही कुरा अब यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ म उनलाई व्यक्तिगत रूपमा भेट्न चाहन्छु I want to meet her in person I want to meet her in person व्यक्तिगत रूपमा को अर्थ in person I want to meet her in person तपाई उहाँलाई भोलि भेट्न पाउनुहुनेछ You will be able to meet her tomorrow You will be able to meet her tomorrow Tomorrow भनेको भोलि You will be able to meet her tomorrow तपाईले अनुमति माग्न पर्नेछ You will need to ask for permission You will need to ask for permission 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 यसको अर्थ अनुमति You will need to ask for permission यसका लागि मलाई कसैको अनुमति चाहिँदैन I don't need anybody's permission for this I don't need anybody's permission for this तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel your place to learn English अगाडि बढौं अब धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरुको अभ्यास जारी राखौं के म अब जान सक्छु मलाई अल्छी लाग्यो Can I go now I'm bored Can I go now I'm bored bored भनेको अल्छी लागेको Can I go now I'm bored मैले तिमीलाई जाने अनुमति दिएको छैन I haven't given you permission to leave I haven't given you permission to leave तपाईले यी नियमहरुको पालना गर्नुपर्छ अथवा गर्नै पर्छ You must follow these rules You must follow these rules यति धेरै नियमहरु किन छन् Why are there so many rules Why are there so many rules यदि तपाईले यी नियमहरु तोड्नु भयो भने तपाई समस्यामा पर्नुहुनेछ If you break these rules you will be in trouble If you break these rules you will be in trouble In trouble भनेको समस्यामा trouble भनेको समस्या If you break these rules you will be in trouble म कुनै समस्यामा पर्न चाहन्न I don't want to get into any trouble I don't want to get into any trouble नियमहरु तोड्नकै लागि बनाइएका हुन्छन् Rules are meant to be broken Rules are meant to be broken यदि तपाईहरुले यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला यस च्यानललाई मात्र होइन हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास च्यानललाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला र यी दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई बजाउन पनि अवश्य नभुल्नु होला समय बर्बाद नगर्नुहोस् Don't waste time. Don't waste time. केही उत्पादनमूलक काम गर्नुहोस्. Do something productive. Do something productive. यसको मतलब समय खेर नफाली केही राम्रो काम गर भनेको हो. Do something productive. त्यहाँ नजानुहोस्, तिनीहरूसँग धेरै महँगो सामानहरू छन्. Don't go there, they have overpriced stuff. Don't go there, they have overpriced stuff. Overpriced भनेको धेरै महँगो. Don't go there, they have overpriced stuff. तिनीहरूले तपाईलाई उचित मूल्य दिने छैनन्. They will not give you a fair price. They will not give you a fair price. Fair price भनेको उचित राम्रो मूल्य. They will not give you a fair price. यदि तपाई उचित मूल्य चाहनुहुन्छ भने यहाँ आउनुहोस्. If you want a fair price, come here. If you want a fair price, come here. यी चुनौतीहरूसँग नडराउनुहोस्. Don't be afraid of these challenges. Challenge भनेको चुनौती. Don't be afraid of these challenges. यी चुनौतीहरूबाट पछि नहट्नुहोस्. Don't back down from these challenges. Don't back down from these challenges. Back down भनेको पछि हट्नुहुन्छ. Don't back down from these challenges. तपाईले यी चुनौतीहरूको सामना गर्नुपर्छ. You must face these challenges. You must face these challenges. यी कपडाहरू धेरै महँगा छन्. These clothes are very expensive. These clothes are very expensive. म तपाईलाई छुट दिन सक्छु. I can give you a discount. I can give you a discount. होइन, म अरु नै कतै जान्छु होला. No, I think I will go somewhere else. No, I think I will go somewhere else. पसलमा केही मन नपर्दा अथवा पसलेले धेरै महँगो भन्दा यसो भनेर तपाई पसलबाट निस्कन सक्नुहुन्छ. No, I think I will go somewhere else. के तपाई मलाई यो कसरी गर्ने भनेर सिकाउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you teach me how to do it? Can you teach me how to do it? अलि नम्र तरिकाले अब यसरी पनि भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यो कसरी गर्ने मलाई सिकाइदिनुहोस् न. Please teach me how to do it. Please teach me how to do it. ठीक छ, हामी भोलिबाट सिक्न सुरु गर्नेछौं. Okay, we will start learning from tomorrow. Okay, we will start learning from tomorrow. कति पैसा कमाउनुहुन्छ? How much money do you earn? How much money do you earn? यो उत्तर हेरौं। म जीवन चलाउन पुग्ने जति मात्र पैसा कमाउँछु। I earn just enough money to get by. I earn just enough money to get by. Get by भनेको ठिक्क रूप अथवा अलि गाह्रो गरी बाँच्न सक्नु। I earn just enough money to get by. तिमीले किन मलाई भनेनौ? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? मैले तिमीलाई भनेको भए पनि तिमीले बुझ्ने थिएनौ। You wouldn't understand even if I told you. You wouldn't understand even if I told you. तिम्रो कुन चाहिँ हो? Which one is yours? Which one is yours? ऊ त्यहाँ भएको रातो चाहिँ मेरो हो। The red one over there is mine. The red one over there is mine. मैले उनीसँग माफी मागे। I apologized to her. I apologized to her. कृपया मेरो क्षमायाचना स्वीकार गरिदिनुहोस्। Please accept my apologies. Please accept my apologies. Apology भनेको क्षमायाचना। Please accept my apologies. म तिम्रो क्षमायाचना कहिल्यै स्वीकार गर्ने छैन। I will never accept your apology. I will never accept your apology. तिमीले कहिलेकाहीँ सुन्नु पनि पर्छ। You must listen to sometimes. You must listen to sometimes. बस चुपचाप लागेर सुन्नुहोस्। Just shut up and listen. Just shut up and listen. मेरो कुरा सुन न ल। Please listen to me. Please listen to me. मैले तिमीलाई केही महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा भन्नु छ। I need to tell you something important. Important भनेको महत्त्वपूर्ण। I need to tell you something important. कहिल्यै हार नमान्नुहोस्, सधैँ भरपूर कोशिश गरिरहनुहोस्। Never give up, always keep trying hard. Never give up, always keep trying hard. र यो एकदमै सही हो। आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै। This much for the video. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला। Take care. Have an amazing day.